Obstacle 1, thank you, Adam and Josie. Your starting platform is this red mat. Your landing platform is this blue block. This is a hands and feet obstacle. All of these mats are in play along with this white-gray mat. Clear. Obstacle 2 is the ring swing. Your starting platform is this black platform. Your landing platform is this black platform. You are allowed to use your hands only on all of the yellow rings. Clear. This is the starting platform for your next obstacle, so do not overshoot it. Obstacle 3 is bouncy agility. Your starting platform is this black platform, which is the landing from your last obstacle. Your landing platform is this big green square over here. This is a feet-only obstacle. Clear. Clear. Obstacle 4, bar shimmy. Your starting platform is this purple cheese mat. Your landing platform is this blue and red panel mat. This is a hands-only obstacle. And this bar right here and this bar right here are in play. These two bars that are parallel are not in play, okay? Also, this piece of truss is in play for anybody that can't reach the bar from this mat. All right. Clear. Obstacle 5, some vaults. Your starting platform is this red panel mat. Your landing platform is this unfolded panel mat. This is a hands and feet obstacle. What's in play is the trampoline, the boxes, and this trampoline. The black pads are allowed, but I don't think they'll help you. Clear. Obstacle 6 is assortment of holds. Your starting platform is this purple cheese mat. Your landing platform is this blue and black box. This is a hands-only obstacle using the holds. Clear. Obstacle 7, balance. Your starting platform is this red mat. Your landing platform is this blue mat. Okay. On any of the rails, only the rail is in play. These wooden supports are out of play. Same with this. These bottom supports are out of play. So just the top faces and feet only. Clear. Obstacle 8, sonic steps. Your starting platform is this blue panel mat. Your landing platform is this blue panel mat. Feet only on the warped wall above this white line. Okay, below this white line is out of play. And then hands and feet are allowed on the quad steps. Clear. Obstacle 9, laches. Your starting platform is this orange and gray block. Your landing platform is this blue block, which is also the starting platform for your next obstacle, so do not overshoot it. This is a hands-only obstacle. Your hands can only go on the horizontal lache bars. Clear. Obstacle 10, your final obstacle, the battering ram. Your starting platform is this blue block. Your landing platform is this green mat, but your time stops when you engage the buzzer. Okay, it is up to you to engage the buzzer before you step off this green mat. Hands only on this white PVC. Okay, this yellow and blue mat will be set here for you if you need to pull it up and use it to help you get to the PVC for my shorter friends. Okay, but make sure you don't leave this blue mat to grab that. Okay, that will be a fail.